So hello students, let us see these questions. These questions now you have to do in the classroom. Okay, solve these questions and these are all are important questions of JEE Mains. And 2020-19 already I explained you. You can see there in the playlist. So here see this one, this question. Homework I am giving dx upon under root fourth root of 1 plus x power 4. How to do integration of this? Okay, and this question is here homework I am giving integration of dx upon see here under root of e power 5x into fourth root of e power 2x plus e power minus 2x whole cube. You have to integrate this one. So please do here. Here you can see that e power hint is what to do with this one. I am giving hint. Let us take e power x t. Let us take e power x t. If I take e power x t, this is t's power 5 power 1 by 2. This is the power of 1 by 2. Square root is 1 by 2. So 5 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. So this is can be written as t power 5 by 2. And this one you can write as here e power x is t then t square. And this will be t power minus 2. And this fourth root can be written as 1 by 4. 3 into 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So you can send like this form and this will be getting in the same form of which we explained in the beginning. Not this year. Beginning in case 1, case 2 what I explained in that. So case 1 today's class what I told yesterday class that you have here. You take here from here t square t power minus 2 take out common. T power minus 2 take out common and do it. You will get the answer. Okay, hope you understand. The t square or t power minus 2. You take anything is common, you will get the answer. Now this one also homework to you. Yeah, this one is the second model. I is equal to r. You can take x power 7. So I think wait. I think I have to see this power is what. So this question is correct. So you have to integrate this one using the second case. Using the two cases are there. Second case you have to use. And these are the IIT 2016. This question already I explained you. You can see this question and solve by your own. Solve these questions. Let us discuss this question here. Advanced 2017 question. F of x is equal to x upon 1 plus x whole power n whole x power n whole power 1 by n. F of x is equal to x upon 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n for n greater than or equal to 2. Then g of x is equal to f of x n terms. Then integration of x power n minus 2 gx is equal to dash. This is the advanced question of IIT 2007. How to solve this lesson here. So let us see here. This g circle, g's function is f of x n terms. So let us find f of x. Okay. So let us take f of x is what? So f of breaking f of x. This is comes. So I am doing the second term. So f of what is f of x? Look at that. What is f of x here? X upon 1 plus x power n whole to the power of 1 by n. This is f of x. So f of x means this inside one. This Amitabh Bachchan. This should come in the place of this place. Okay, wherever x is there. Whoever is there, this inside something is there, the something should replace in this function. So what I do here, in the place of x, I can substitute this one. In the place of x, I can substitute this one. In the place of x. In the place of x, we have to substitute here. So f of, according to this rule, x place, I can get as, in the place of x, I am writing in the place of x is x upon 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n divided by, this is f of x, and 1 plus in the place of x I can write as x upon 1 plus x power n to the power of 1 by n to the power of, in the place of x I am substituting power n whole power 1 by n. Hope you understand. Only in the place of x I substituted this. So this question is becoming how? This question is changing in how? This is x upon 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n divided by, this I can write as 1 plus, now this power can change here, x power n divided by, this power distribute here. When I distribute this power, this n So this power this, so I get as 1 plus x power n. Okay, you get this cancelled out. 1 plus x power n, you get here. This is okay. Otherwise, you can cancel this one. Okay, yeah, up to you. You can cancel any one. So if you cancel this one, I get as what I get. Okay, you can cancel this one. Okay, n is completely for this one. So I can write. I can cancel n and this one. So I can 1 plus x power n I get, and to the power of you have whole to the power of 1 by n. So this is what you have. Hope you understand here what is replaced in the place. This is I distributed x power n, and this power I distributed to this. This n gets cancelled out, and you have left out the and all the whole power 1 by n is left. Now let us take this LCM. What I am going to get here? I am going to get this one as x upon 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n, and this I take the LCM inside. If I take the LCM inside, 1 plus x power n is the LCM, so I get as 1 plus x power n plus x power n whole power 1 by n. So finally what I am getting here, this one I am writing this step here, x upon, I am getting this step I am writing here, x upon 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n divided by, this 1 power n separate to this and separate to this. So x power n plus x power n is 2x power n. So I am getting 1 plus 2x power n to the power of 1 by n divided by, I will get as 1 plus x power n. This power I am sending to numerator and denominator. So whole power 1 by n. So this one and this one is cancelled out. So what I got finally, this one sir, f circle of f of x I got is, what the final answer I got? x upon 1 plus 2x power n whole power 1 by n. So if f of x I am getting this one. F of x I am getting this one. Understood? So f of x is this one. Then f of x will be how much? According to this, f of x will be, I get as x upon 1 plus 3x power n. In the functions topic I explained these things. You got f of x is 2. See here, first one is this one, x upon 1 plus x power n 1 by n is the first one. You have one coefficient. But if f of x, the question is same, x upon 1 plus x power n whole power. Question is same. Here is f of you got 2 times here. F of 3 times here. So 3 times you will get here. 3 times you will get here. So f of like that n times will be getting as x upon 1 plus 3x power. This is nx power. I get nx power whole power 1 by n. This is what G circle x. This is Gx, G function. So you have 3 times, you got 3 here multiplication. You have n times, this means you have n is the multiplication, nx power n. Nx power n will be there. This is Gx. Okay, you got this is Gx. Now we will find complete answer. So Gx you got this one. Yeah, you got Gx is that one, right? Now what I have to find integration of, x power n minus 2 Gx. I have to find the integration of this. Okay, so what I will get is, this is the integration of x power n minus 2. What is G circle x? Sorry, G function, what you got here? x upon 1 plus nx to the power n x power n to the power of 1 by n. That is what you have to do it. Understood? So this is what you got. This you got as nx power n. So Gx I got this one, so I replaced here Gx. So finally this dx I can write this is integration of x power 1. If you add this one, I get integration of x power n minus 1. I get. So bases are equal, power must be added. That is dx upon, I get as 1 plus nx power n whole power 1 by n. Now you have to integrate this one. To integrate this one, what I am doing is 1 plus nx power n, I am taking t power n. Let us consider this is totally t power n, because this power is p. I just told you case number 2, you can see this is 1 by n, this power only you should take, this is t power. So to cancel that one, I can take t power n only. So I can do this one as t power n. To cancel this one, I have to take this inside one as power n. So power n I took. Now differentiation of this will be how much? Let us take here, n is here same, x power n differentiation. That is n into x power n minus 1 dx is equal to n into t power n minus 1 dt. This n gets cancelled. So what I get here, so x power n minus 1 dx, x power n minus 1 dx, this total is, you got, how much you got? T power n minus 1, t power n minus 1, this n is multiplied, sending this side, divides n dt. So this n I have sent that side. So you got this x power 1 n minus 1 dt, this one. So finally, what I can write here now, this question is becomes true. What happens this way? This answer, now I am going to do the answer of this one is x power n minus 1 dx, I can write as t power n minus 1 upon n dt. And this total, this denominator, I can write t power n whole power n cancel. So integration you got as t power, see here, t power n minus 1, on the top is the minus 1. Sorry, here this is, you are getting t power n minus 1 on the top. Okay, x power n minus 1. So t power n minus 1. Okay, this is x power n minus 1. So t power n minus 1. So t power n minus 1 upon t, and this 1 by n can take out common, dt I will get. So this is t power 1, if I send this one upside, t power minus 2 I will get, correct? Therefore I get integration 1 by n, integration of t power n minus 2 dt, because this is 1, if I send up this one, t power n minus 2 I get. What is the integration of t power n minus 2? That is 1 by n t power n minus 2 plus 1 upon n minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So the answer is 1 by n t power n minus 2 plus 1, that is n minus 1 divided by n minus 1, here also n minus 1 plus c is your answer. So what I got here, t power n minus 1 by n into n minus 1 plus c is the answer. What is t here? What is t? T can be here. From this side t will be gets. What is the t here? 1 plus n x power n to the power of 1 by n is equal to t. This n, if I send this side, 1 power n. So final answer of this will be, the final answer of this will be 1 upon, you have here what you got, n into, you got here n minus 1. Okay, you got t. What is the t here? T is 1 plus n x power n to the power of 1 by n, to the power of 1 by n plus c. This is your final answer. So what you got here? T power n minus 1. So hope you understand everything. I'll just recall you once. This is, you got t power n minus 1 by t and dn. So just we have substituted here. X power n minus 1 dx I have changed into t power n minus 1 by n dt upon, this is we consider as t power n, cancelled out, 1 by n came out, t power n minus 1, t power n minus 2 it became. So after doing the integration of this one, you got the final answer is this. This is the 2007 question.